Are you tired of watching your dreams of starting a profitable fish farm stay stuck on paper? Maybe you have tried searching online for the right steps, or you have watched hours of YouTube videos that only gave you half the picture. Or maybe you are just overwhelmed by all the technical information and not sure where to start. Well, I've got something that will finally give you the complete roadmap. From the very first idea to actually growing and selling your fish for profit. After years of hands-on experience working with catfish and tilapia farms, facing failures, learning the hard way, and finally figuring out what works, I created a practical, step-by-step course designed to make fish farming simple, clear, and profitable for anyone. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who has already started but wants better results, this course is for you. In this course, you will learn everything you need to build and run your own successful fish farm. We start with the basics, helping you understand what fish farming really is, the different systems you can use, and the most important things to plan before you start. You will learn how to choose the right location, avoid common legal mistakes, and plan your budget wisely so you don't waste money. Then we go into the core of the farm: water quality management, stocking healthy fingerlings, feeding strategies, and how to monitor your fish for fast and healthy growth. There's an entire model dedicated to disease prevention and treatment, including how to use salt, bitter leaves, lime, and other treatments. You will also get guidance on how to track your farm performance, keep simple records, and manage your farm like a real business. And when your fish are ready, you will learn how to price, sell, and turn your harvest into real income. Whether you are selling directly, in bulk, or even online, plus there's a bonus introduction to recirculating aquaculture system, that's RAS, for those interested in more advanced modern setups. This course was designed for everyday people, students, youth, entrepreneurs, farmers, and anyone with a serious interest in aquaculture. You don't need a science background. You don't need a big piece of land. You just need the willingness to learn and take action. The course is fully online and self-paced, which means you can watch the lessons anytime from any device and rewatch as many times as you want. You will also get lifetime access and any future update for free. This is more than just a course. It's a shortcut to avoid years of trial and error. You can start just with few dollars, no monthly fees, no hidden charges, just one-time access to a complete fish farming roadmap that can change your life. If you have been serious about starting a fish farm, this is your sign. Click the link in the description or comment to join. Let's build your farm the smart way and turn your passion into a business that feeds you and your community. Thank you so much, and I wish you best in your fish farming journey. Once again, my name is Abdulaziz Issa. This is Falcon Aquaponics. All we do in this channel is to share fish farming tips based on our experience and research. And this has been created to assist you, like we said, to be successful. Thank you.